Full house tour. This is the upstairs. This is Caroline's room. There's 4 of us in this house. And then there's another room in here. So cute. Bathroom, got some goodies. Katie's just doing the room tour, house tour. We've got 3 floors. Let me take you down to my room. If we go down here, the girls are in my room.
You want a house tour?
This is mine with the view. And this is my bathroom with 2 guests. Shower. Wow. Guys, what the hell? I'm out here, so we've got this little seating area. Hello, come outside, straight onto the beach. And we've got a hot tub. Hopefully you can still hear me over the sound of the waves, but this is absolutely stunning. I feel like I've shown so much. I've got 2 people walking up right now with 2 bottles of rosé. Rosé's here. The way I just ran then. Where do I even begin with this? We have travelled nearly 6 hours to come to Carbis Bay Hotel. This is in St Ives, I believe, or St Earth. It is absolutely stunning. We are so, like, we had a little room tour, house tour. This is a house with 4 bedrooms, and we just screamed the entire time. The guy showing us around was like, he was just laughing. I was like, do you get this all the time, like when you show people around this place? Because it's just unreal. We're here with Victoria's Secret to celebrate kind of their swim. They've got some gorgeous bronzy bits. We've got like a bronzed beach party this evening. I won't lie, we are in the south of the UK at the very end of April, so it is not the warmest. Yeah, of course you can. I got the rosé. And I'm here with Anna, Caroline, and Katie. Is this the one you ordered?
To taste my dog.
Oh, this is amazing. This is way better than staying anywhere on my own. Oh, ice!
Thank you.
And we literally have, how long do we have even to get ready? What's the time?
That's the cupboard.
It's currently 5 o'clock and we need to be out the party for 6. I don't think that's happening. I actually built these for the G7 summit. I don't know what year, but we're in the United Kingdom, so this is the master suite. So I'm guessing whoever our Prime Minister was at the time has slept in this bed. We'll try and forget. I feel so flipping lucky to be here and to be invited back by Victoria's Secret. I love Victoria's Secret, and yeah, I'm really excited for the next couple of days. I can't believe this is my view. I don't want to go home. I'm moving in. I'm so excited to share with you what we get up to and keep you in the loop, but for now I need to get ready. I don't really have time to do all my makeup again, so I've just had a quick body shower and I have touched up the hair a little bit, although it's very windy, so no doubt by the time I get to wherever we're going to tonight, it will be a curly mess, but it's what it is. So I think I'm just gonna like touch up and try and make it look somewhat slay for this eve. The theme for tonight is like bronzed bombshell goddess because of the new bronze bombshell fragrance. I've just used the body lotion and the body mist. It smells unreal. This may be the best VS fragrance they've ever done. Just literally like a holiday in a bottle. Stunning. I have a new bronzer to try. I've not even tried any of this stuff. I went shopping yesterday and I picked up this Suntone bronzing cream from Westman Atelier, and also this insane eyeshadow pencil, which I will show you. Life is good. I'm having a bit of a breakout on my chin though, which I don't love. A bit more of this foundation, the Victoria Beckham one, because I tan, so I can wear it. I haven't worn this in ages actually, and then I've been wearing it for the past couple of days because it matches my tan perfectly. It's just so nice here. I think the fact I can just like hear the sea, I'm gonna sleep so well. I just wish Cornwall was just like a bit easier to get to because I would literally be here all the time. Nice thing about this foundation, because it is so hydrating, it's more like a serum. You can kind of layer it up. Powder, concealer, foundation, blush, bronzer from the day. And I've just put this directly over the top. It doesn't look weird or cakey, so. Corrector, still love this MAC one. It's like a gorgeous pink color. Hourglass concealer if you want to cover breakouts and you want to be full coverage. This is your girl. Never been on a press trip where I'm like staying in the same place as like other people. Like usually I've been like in my own hotel room, but this is so fun because we're literally like in a house together and tomorrow morning, like, we're having breakfast delivered to the house, so we're gonna have like breakfast together. It's really, really cute. And then I think tomorrow we're doing like canoeing or some kind of water sports, although that sea looks very choppy, so I don't know what we're going to be doing. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but let's give this little bronzing cream a go. I saw this on Space & K online, and it was between this or the Victoria Beckham bronzing tint, which I actually think I might still get. This is more of like a cream bronzer, that's more of like a tint, whereas this one, firstly the packaging, look at that blue, stunning. I got mine in the shade Soleil Parfait 1, the lightest one I think, but it's quite deep still, so you have like a darker tone and then a slightly lighter tone. I think I may do the lighter one. Ooh, got a hair straight in that, and then build up with the darker one. It's such a nice colour. I really like that. That's really nice. I kind of wish I had a slightly smaller brush, but I literally bought this yesterday and I only got with me what I would normally bring with me, so it is what it is. Yeah, this is nice. What do we think? This is the shade Happy from Rare Beauty. Squeeze out a little bit in your hand, and then they've got a highlighter brush. This is the number 16. Work it into the brush. Otherwise you might end up with a very, very stripy cheek, and then just blend it in. I want to be very glowy and like bronzy. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Glider Shadow Stick, and I swatched this in Selfridges yesterday. It's unreal. A lot of these like sparkly shadow sticks are really wet on the eye, like I think there's like a Jordana Tisha one, the Bobbi Brown one. A lot of them are this really like wet eye pencil, and they look beautiful, but they don't blend, and they just like fall into the crease of your eye. This one I swatched it on the back of my hand yesterday, set. Like it did not budge. I was scrubbing my hand and it wasn't moving. So if we're gonna be getting like a sparkly eye pencil, yeah, this one. Pour it on, see where we go. Yeah, stunning. Super sparkly. Really cute. It's gonna look nice with like flash and in sunlight too, but I'm not holding out for the sunlight right now. The clouds are really almost looks wet. Wow, are you joking? Are you seeing this? What do we think? I'm gonna do my lips, get ready, and I will check back in with you guys once we are dressed. Okay, so this is my outfit of the evening. I'm wearing this little Zara knit vest. I've got the sequin skirt on from Commence. I actually wore this Christmas Day, so this is proof that you need a sequin skirt in your wardrobe because you can wear it all year round. My Mango new heels on, Zara bag. All the shells keep falling off, they're like literally all over the floor. My dish blazer, my body glow is actually VS. Sorry, I've literally smothered myself in this. And the new Bombshell Bronze fragrance. This is Holiday in a bottle. And the glow is Dreamy. I was going to use my Sol de Janeiro, which is what I normally use, but this, Caroline got it on her legs and she looked, and it smells really good, so 10 out of 10. Well done, Victoria's Secret. I feel like my room is trashed, but the girls are ready. I will get a little shot of all of us, hopefully, but we're already running late. We should have been at the party like 10 minutes ago. It takes time to look this good, you know? This is the finished makeup. What do we think? Look at the sparkles. Everyone's in my room because I feel like my room has the best lighting, but we are all ready. Look how gorgeous the girls look. We're a little bit late.
You seem really clever. Like very...
Oh, you got that on camera, didn't you?
It's very bright.
You heard that here, people. Also, do you know where we're going? No, me.
You're the clever one. Oh,
how do you get out? This one.
I mean, I may have
Oh, there you go.
Oh, no, we've done it.
We don't know where we're going. I'm so glad I did my hair. Have I even shown you my outfit? I have shown my outfit.
My hair.
Look at my hair. Oh my god, you look so good.
Hi, VS girls.
It's an Italian festival. Future me when I wonder what this is. Morning, my loves. It is day 2 of our VS trip. This morning we had a little hamper delivered to the room, well, the house. I have just taken it upon myself to spend the morning just shooting some beautiful content in this stunning house. We were supposed to be canoeing, and then it got changed to surfing, and like canoeing I'm in a boat, I can keep relatively dry. Surfing, that involves swimming in the sea. That's not for me. I don't like the sea, if I'm being honest with you. It's not for me. I'm in my VS swim. This is what I was wearing in the hot tub last night. This is actually what we were given to go surfing in today. Obviously wetsuits over the top, but very, very cute little VS, stunning. And I've just got it on with a little sarong. There's my mess from filming. And loads of body oil, body glow. I've sprayed so much of the perfume as well. We've got a light lunch in the spa at like 12:30, I believe. And then we've got a pool party. I've got a different swim to wear for that, but I'm like, it's so cold. I don't know how that's gonna work. Hopefully the pool's heated because I will be in the pool then, just like keep you nice and toasty. And then this evening, got a sunset dinner and then a little PJ party later. But we've got a hot tub here, so I'm really excited to get back in that because we were in that last night after our dinner and it was really cute, just like sat chatting with the girls with a glass of wine in the hot tub. It was stunning. I didn't sleep amazing. I woke up at 3 absolutely melting. So I cracked open the door to my balcony and I was like, I'm just gonna have the white noise of the ocean, just keeping me nice and peaceful. And I did manage to fall back to sleep till like 7:15. My alarm was set for 7 anyway, so I was like, okay, I'm happy with that. I'm sure tonight, after today's activities, I will be absolutely exhausted. This is bloody lovely. This is sitting in that hydro pool over there. It's like a bath, sweating, almost like a sauna. I'm gonna head back, drink some rosé, get changed, and I think we're back here for dinner later. We're having dinner. I feel like I've not checked in with you guys, but we're having dinner. Know the stories. Do you guys have Marks and Stars? My Marks and Sparks are literally exactly the same as my Reformation ones, and these were £30. My Reformation ones were over 100. So. Morning, happy Thursday. It is our final morning here at Carbis Bay. I feel like I don't know, other than when I first spoke to you yesterday morning, I don't know what else I vlogged yesterday because it was kind of a bit back to back, all over the place all afternoon. We were in and out of the pool, so I couldn't really like put my phone up anywhere because it would have been weird. Quick turnaround for dinner, and then everyone seemed to end up back at our house for after dinner drinks. So it was a bit chaotic to say the least. But it's been so lovely here. Like this room, this house is unbelievable. Like the fact I'm just staring straight out onto the beach, to the sea. Like it's my view. Unreal. I've also had to prop you up here because if I show you what's going on behind me, you'll judge me. Because it's a mess. After a few rosés last night, I thought it was a good idea to run around in the sea. It's April. It's cold. It's the same reason I didn't want to go in the sea surfing, and somehow I ended up in the sea in the evening. I haven't even looked back at the videos I filmed yet, so it could be entertaining, but I don't know what possessed me to crawl around the sea in my clothes. Anyway, I've lost my favourite nip covers. They fell off in the sea. And then apparently this morning, because I took my blazer off, my JF Avenue one, I left it outside and it rained, so it's absolutely soaked. I've stuck it on a radiator. I very kindly stuck it on a radiator. I don't think that's going to be dry by the time that we need to leave. I need to remember to take it as well because it's in the downstairs bathroom and I don't go in there, so oh well, it's funny, good for the memes. Yeah, I've had a really, really nice time. This morning we are just going out for breakfast. We're not having breakfast delivered to us. We're going out to the beach house, having a relaxed style breakfast, and we are looking at some lacy, colourful pieces that VS are doing for summer. Just thought this is probably a good spot to show you the fit. Hold on, let me bring it down a bit. So a bit lower on Levi's ribcage straight, which I go on about all the flipping time to you guys. You're probably sick to death of me saying about them. One day they'll work for me. My top is Arquette. Cardigan is also Arquette. Heels are H&M. Bag, Carissa Wang. And yeah, this is the fit. One wild one necklace, one wild one earrings, one wild one rings. Doing a breakfast. Oh, someone getting picked up. What a dreamy. Like if I woke up by the sea, I think I'd be a much happier person. Like if I lived and this was my view every morning. Get on the vision board.